Welcome back guys, another tutorial. Today we will discuss how we can make archive file from our CAD file. For example, if we use some reference in our CAD file and we are going to send this by email to someone, so if this person will open this file and he will see some error. So for example, I'm going to show you first example. I will just type external reference. So right now there's nothing, any external reference I have used. So what I'm going to do, for example, I will take some picture here. I have one picture here. I will copy this picture and I will type the name external reference, external reference. So I will go here, my CAD. I will attach this file. As you can insert file, but in my case I use attach. So I will choose this one, external reference. Okay guys, so I will save and I will close the CAD, and then I will delete this file and I will reopen my CAD file. So guys, you can see this I have deleted already this external reference JPEG, and here showing like see user, my computer name, OneDrive, desktop, external reference JPEG. It's nothing anymore there. So like this error you can see when we will move our one CAD file to another CAD file, to another PC, sorry, and you can see this kind of error there. So for this solution we will make the archive file for our DWG. So I will show you guys how we can do this. So I will attach again some reference here. So guys, I attach some reference here. So simply I will go here in file, e-transmit, and this is asking about the current drawing is not saved, and do you want to save the current drawing before continue? Yes, I want to save it. So guys, it's showing the file tree is showing our external reference JPEG and the CAD file also. We want to attach another some reference. You can attach from here, some this PDF you can attach also. So I will just okay, make it okay, and it's asking about to save where I want to save my file, archive file. So I will save in my desktop. So here's the guys that we have created the WinRAR file, zip file or archive files. So I will just open it, and guys you can see it's consist on the two external reference, one thumbnail, this one, and that we added the another PDF file there. And this is our DWG. And guys, when you are going to make this zip file, so if you move this file to another PC, you are simply going to extract somewhere in the same folder. Better you make like new folder 5, and just move this zip file in this folder, so your all external reference will be in one place. So as you can see, this all external reference are in one place. So if you're going to open this CAD file, you will never see any of external reference detach errors. I hope guys you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thanks for watching.